What's up everybody, it's Leah from HTP Performance and I am here to show you one of our original and most popular products, the 2017 and newer GSX-R1000 air shifter mount kits. Alright, let's talk about what is included with your air shifter mount kit. We have our mounting hardware, your top mount, the heim joint, and these two plates will sandwich together around your factory lever in order to do the bottom mount. I'm gonna grab just a standard cylinder. It's not included with the kit, but we can gladly get you one. And I'm gonna show you how they all go together. First, I like to assemble the bottom two plates. You take these two. It's easiest just to do one first, put it around your factory lever, then do the second. You're going to install the shoulder neck bolt through the heim joint and into this little boss. And then the bottom of your shift cylinder goes into that heim joint. On the top, you're going to use your factory mount. I'll show you those bolts in just a second. And then the shoulder neck bolt goes through the top of your shift cylinder. And attaches just like that. Alright guys, I'm here with a bike that actually has the air shifter kit already installed, but I wanted to walk you through the tools and some of the tricks for installation. You're going to need a 5mm Allen T-handle. You'll also need an 8 and a 10 T-handle socket. And what you're going to do is start where the shift rod is mounted up top. You're going to have to loosen this bolt with your 5mm and remove that from the gear change mechanism. Make sure you take a Sharpie, as you can see here, and mark where you're lined up because you want to make sure you install it back where you started. So you remove this here, and once you do that, you expose the two factory bolts you're going to use for the shifter top mount installation. This is your 8, this is your 10, and like we showed you earlier, it extends out here for your shoulder neck bolt and the top mount to your shift cylinder. Now this is one of the Schnitt's direct shift assemblies, which also has the shift solenoid installed into one unit, which is really nice, and that also will accommodate that heim joint that comes with the kit. If you look to the side, you can see how it's sandwiched in. We do suggest using blue Loctite to secure it. And once you have everything mounted up, like I said, put that thing right back onto the gear change mechanism. Make sure everything's good and tight. All of the angles and geometry should make for good shifting. So there you go, fully installed. The part is active on our website, so we'll be sure to link it. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask. We're happy to answer. And make sure you subscribe to all our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.